Cement and concrete, two words that trip us up all the time. But here's the scoop. Cement is just one ingredient in concrete. Think of it like flour in a cake. You need flour, sugar, eggs, and more to bake something delicious, right? Similarly, concrete is a mix of cement, water, sand, and gravel. Now, why does this matter? Well, understanding the difference can help you appreciate the incredible structures around us. From ancient Roman aqueducts to today's towering skyscrapers, concrete has been the backbone of engineering marvels. Did you know that the Pantheon in Rome has the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome? It's been standing for nearly 2,000 years. So next time you see a building, remember, it's concrete that holds it all together, with cement playing a crucial supporting role.